Hello, my name is Vanessa Castillo. I'm 20 years old. I am in the Industrial Engineer program. I currently live in Nopsa, Boyacá, in the neighborhood Nazareth. I live with my parents, with my sister, and two nephews. I like to dance and visit towns in my free time. My last vacation was in Neiva Huila, and I would like to travel to San Andres. Recipe: Ingredients: chicken, salt, garlic cloves, oil, butter, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, long onion, passion fruit juice. Initially, first, peel the onion and chop into small squares. Second, wash the tomatoes and chop into small squares. Third, wash the long onion and chop into small pieces. Fourth, set aside in a large bowl. 5. Rinse the chickens tenders and peel off their skin. Place them in a large bowl. 6. Pour the oil into a heavy bottomed pot and turn on the stove to maximum temperature. 7. When the oil is hot, add the contents of the bowl, season with salt and seasoning to taste. We are going to leave them for a few minutes, just enough to brown them and salt the surface. 8. After 5 minutes, lower the heat to medium and add the chicken pieces. Stir and add the chicken. 9. Then add the passion fruit juice to the pot. Then cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. 11. After this time, uncover the pot, turn over the prey, and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes more or until the excess liquid evaporates to the point of having a caramelized sasu. Finally, check that its texture check that its texture is dense and it is ready to serve.